Quiet, clean, and fully electric. Tecumseh's new transit fleet is ready to roll. These buses are replacing the town's gas-powered vehicles with zero tailpipe emissions and the same routes residents already rely on.
It's something that it's been on our mind. Obviously, if you look at climate change and every little bit, helps. There's no doubt. And what we're doing now is not only the transit system, but we're going to start looking at greening, our municipal fleet throughout the corporation.
Behind the wheel, drivers like Gwen Baker are learning what it takes to operate a bus that's powered by a battery.
They're a bit different. You got to get used to the idea of the electric range. They have a totally different sound and feel to it because you don't have the revving noise you get on a diesel or even a gas vehicle where you can tell what it's doing engine-wise. It's going to be a bit getting used to.
The switch made possible through federal funding from the Rural Transit Solutions Fund. In all, the 3 buses cost roughly $1.4 million. With the old ones nearing the end-of-life cycle, officials say it's part of Tecumseh's larger goal of a more sustainable public service.
It's fully air-conditioned, it's quiet, it's a comfortable ride, it's a very sleek look.
At the county level, we're reviewing the transportation master study, and part of that is to review busing to connect the county and the cities.
And while the buses are starting in Tecumseh, there's hope the electric momentum will spread across Essex County.
Obviously, it has financial constraints, budgetary money that's going to be needed by different local municipalities. And so, if we think regionally, I think this is the right way to go and to connect, to allow our residents to be able to connect and travel amongst local municipalities.
Meantime, residents can expect to see the new fleet rolling out throughout July. Same stops, same schedules, but with a much quieter ride.
Officials tell me ridership hasn't fully bounced back from COVID. They believe one reason is the older buses simply were not a comfortable ride. But with this new fleet, they're hoping to change that and bring more people back on board. Ricardo?
Okay, Chris, thank you for that. Yeah, those buses look cool to my eye, at least. Thank you for that. That's CTV's Chris Campbell tonight.